Hair mesotherapy, a very popular therapy used all over the world for the past few years with very promising results. It's a combination of the use of a derma roller along with using an electroporation machine. So it's like a much smarter way of using a derma roller, and in an in-clinic procedure the serums which are used are of a much concentrated quality, and hence the results are super enhanced. It is also known as a no needle injection therapy. So it works like giving an injection. When we eat a tablet, we may get limited results because of the absorption and the assimilation being beyond our control. But when we give an injection, we see that the absorption is much better and the results are much better. So the same thing happens in a hair mesotherapy, where we are able to make sure that the entire product is reaching the target organ like we give in an injection, and that is why the results. But it doesn't use injections, it just uses the concentration of proteins and vitamins to be delivered in the mesoderm without actually injecting it in the mesoderm. So we can use a derma roller or a meso pen, which is similar to a derma roller, but it's an automated device, and this creates the micro channels similar to what you can create at home with a derma roller. But then after which a meso device which contains an electroporation with an ultrasound. So electroporation is where positive and negative electrodes are used so that the serum penetrates inside, it is drawn towards the body. Also ultrasound devices are known to enhance the penetration. So combination of an electroporation or an ultrasound device is proven to deliver the ingredients where we want it to go. Here it is the subcutaneous area or the transdermal area where we actually want the serum and the nutrients to reach, which may or may not reach if we just apply them. But when we use this device, we are able to ensure that there is better penetration, thus promising faster and better results. It increases the circulation due to needling, and we know that increase of circulation to the scalp is one thing that is going to help us. And then because of the two-way, one is creating the micro channels and second is using the device to make sure that there is transdermal penetration, the delivery of the product to the mesoderm is a lot more guaranteed than simply applying it to the scalp. And the concentration of the nutrients or the concentration of the serums that we use when we do a mesotherapy treatment are much higher than the ones given for home use, because we know that home use serums, there is a lot of wastage happening. So we cannot use a very expensive product because of this wastage. But when we are sure that all the product is going to be delivered to the target organ, we use a highly concentrated and a highly potent product, which also makes sure that there are enhanced results. It doesn't happen in a single session. People require several sessions because anything that uses nutrition as a part of causing a difference cannot happen overnight. It's not a quick fix. It does require a lot of sessions, and it's a complete course which has been proven to give very good results. The results can be variable, so the results depend on how regular the person is in taking the mesotherapy sessions, whether the person completes the regime, and also the quality of the serum. There are many qualities of mesotherapy serums available, so depending on what is the potency and the quality of the serum will determine the outcome or the results of the mesotherapy. But if you compare the mesotherapy combined with oral nutrition at home, the results are definitely 2 to 3 times, and it is a therapy which has been proven and which is very popular in making your hair healthier.